This is the 2009 Chevy Trailblazer, and we are replacing the fan clutch on it. If you don't have a couple wrenches, it's time to invest in some. Otherwise, you could probably rent these at your AutoZone or something like that. So I had to get one of these, and it's gonna go to this. This is also gonna go down here. You're gonna need both of them. So one of these goes down here. This bad boy is gonna bite on here. It's a 36 millimeter. Then you're gonna grab this. I had no idea what this does, but all of a sudden it came to me. This is gonna pretty much lock on these 4 bolts, like if it was a giant nut. So you're gonna just slide this right over it. Boom, like that. It's gonna get wedged on there. It gets stuck like that. And you bring your 36 down here, and then you crank the opposite direction, and it'll start loosening that thing. So that is a tool you probably have to go rent, or I think it's like $50, way too much money. So if you could just rent it, you'd probably save a couple $100. So you'll need these and that, and that's gonna help you loosen that fan off of there. Once you get that fan, once that fan is loosened from this, it'll be easy. You'll be able to just turn it that direction and it'll untwist. Everything will start to come out. Before it comes all the way out, you're gonna need the pliers. You're gonna need to pull this back. You're gonna need a tub down there to collect the antifreeze that runs out. You're gonna have to probably get like, you know, maybe a gallon of antifreeze. Make sure you got that. Pull this clamp back. Pull this hose back. You got 2 10 millimeter bolts on both sides. Once those come out, this whole piece is gonna come loose. So this will be disconnected. Them 2 bolts you'll take off. This will become loose. All you'll have to do is make sure you get this plastic over this little tube connection right here. Totally take this belt off and you'll be able to weasel this whole thing out. Once you get it out, you'll see there's your clutch plate. And we'll put a picture of that up later, but you grab your clutch plate, you'll see it on your fan, you'll take it off, and it has 13 millimeter bolts. So you'll need a 13, a 10, a monkey wrench, and a tub to collect your antifreeze.